and welcome to BYJU'S 9th and 10th channel. I'm your teacher Ankita.
And this is your maths expert Arsh. And today we have Menti quiz. It is a Menti war basically between maths and biology. Yes everyone, good evening and welcome to this very amazing session. Good evening everybody. I hope you all are super excited for this class. जल्दी से thumbs ups दे दो, quickly give us thumbs up if you are super duper excited क्योंकि आज maths versus biology होने वाला है. Yes. Hey Arpit, hello Nadeem, Genius Girl, Sky Bro, Shoaib, Advika. Welcome to the class everyone. Good evening. So are we completely audible and visible? Please let us know. Hi Divyanshi, hello Anvita.
Hello everyone, good evening, welcome to the class. So I hope that all of you can see us and can hear us clearly. Right, please do let us know in the comment section whether everything is fine. Total number of questions you're asking, right? 12 from maths and 12 from bio that we have over here. And it will be an amazing quiz, right? We will be starting in just in 1 minute, but before that, right, before that, as we always say, if you're new here, please do take a moment and hit that subscribe button and be a part of our family, because on this channel only we have amazing sessions planned for you, right? And of course we know that your exams are just around the corner, so we have amazing sessions that will be helping you to ace your examination. So please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Everyone, jaldi se, we will be keeping a check on the likes, right? And many of you are asking about the Menti code. So the Menti code is 73553509 is there on the screen also. And we will be telling you again and again, so don't worry. It's 73553509.
हाँ, जल्दी से Menti join कर लो, and those who are joining the quiz, do let us know in the chat also. ठीक है? Go to www.menti.com and enter the code written on the top of the screen, that is 73553509. Then we will start the quiz shortly. जल्दी से आ जाओ. Yes everyone, very good. Swati has joined. Abhay, Mana, very good. And also help your friends out. अगर उनको कोड नहीं दिख रहा है तो आप कोड चैट में लिख सकते हो. Thank you Deepa.
Very good, everyone.
So Deepa is helping them out.
Yes. Help your friends out. Yes. But everyone, just one quick thing. We have 192 students in the class and there are only 92 likes. मतलब बहुत पीछे हैं अभी हम. Please make sure everyone quickly hit the like button. Before we start our session, I think we should have at least 150 likes because
हाँ, target set करते हैं.
हाँ, इतने तो बच्चे हैं क्लास में.
जल्दी से टारगेट कंप्लीट करते हैं और फिर मेंटी स्टार्ट होगा आपका. जैसे ही आप टारगेट कंप्लीट करते हो, विल स्टार्ट विद द क्विज. सो क्विकली लाइक द सेशन एवरीबॉडी. ओके, सो वी हैव अ पोल हियर. हु विल विन, बायोलॉजी, मैथ्स और बोथ? 100% आर सेइंग बोथ. नाइस, वेरी गुड. अब एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, आपके दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स के स्कोर आपके जुड़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं करना है कि बायो को जिताना है तो मैथ्स का गलत कर देना, या मैथ्स को जिताना है तो बायो का गलत कर देना. तो यू शुड बी आंसरिंग बोथ द क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपरली. आपका स्कोर उस हिसाब से आप लीडर बोर्ड पे आओगे, क्योंकि ये ऐसे करते हैं एक्चुअल पे.
हाँ, वैसे करते तो हैं एक्चुअली. बट एवरीवन, कम ऑन, वी नो दैट we as a teacher, both of us wants you to score good in both the subjects. So please make sure you read the question carefully, take your time, solve it properly and then only vote for it, right? Yes. Tanishk, we will tell ma'am ये बोल रहे हैं मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन थोड़े टफ होने चाहिए. होपफुली दोस क्वेश्चंस विल बी टफ. और अगर इजी क्वेश्चंस है तो ऑफ कोर्स मे बी यू आर द मास्टर ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट नाउ. इसलिए
तो इसका मतलब प्रिपरेशन एकदम ऑन पॉइंट है. ओके, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? हैव यू completed the target that we gave you? Yes.
नहीं, अभी नहीं हुआ है. Come on everyone.
223 students and
and likes बहुत कम है. Everyone, quickly.
जल्दी से
make sure
hit 200 likes. Quickly hit 200 likes and then we will start the quiz. Yes, come on everyone. Hit the like button. Yes. Hi Kamna, very good. स्टार्ट करते हैं. बस अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. आप टारगेट कंप्लीट कर देते हैं पहले.
इसमें मैम थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं जहाँ पे बच्चे अपने नाम भी लिख पाएंगे. यस, एंड यू नो दैट दिस इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. प्लीज मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. एंड अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी हैव इन टुडेज सेशन इज 24. 12 from maths and 12 from bio. So now is the time everyone, so that you can write your names, right?
Yes.
So please do write your names, and those of you who have written your names now, please go and quickly hit the like button for the video. Yes.
Only 30 more likes to go and then we will start the quiz. Yes, quickly hit the like button everybody. Quickly hit the like button. Yes. Only 30 more likes to go. कितने रह गए आप लोग बताओ.
हाँ, we'll be able to achieve 170. Come on everyone, we can do it, right? Yes. I can see unicorns, we have fishes, we have penguin, we have a heart.
Burger, football. जरा बताओ कौन-कौन से avatars हैं आपके?
Find strawberry. Strawberry is very easy. See, it's there. We can easily find the strawberry. There are 2 strawberries actually. Everyone, come on. Please ask your friends to quickly join the session, and we are requesting you to please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for the video. Yes.
Okay, wolf is here. Tiger is here.
Tiger, leopard दिख गया. Sorry, lion दिखा. Sorry, not the tiger.
फिर the wolf.
Wolf यहाँ पे था.
Okay.
Oops. थोड़ा सा कट गया था मेरा चेहरा. Yes, everyone. चलिए. Ravi, how many likes we have?
We have 189.
180. Come on, everyone.
Only 11 more likes. Quickly like the session, everyone. We will start the Menti quiz at 200 likes. चलो जी, जल्दी से like कर दो. Good evening, Archana. Okay, boat. You can see
Clip.
the boat.
Clip. हाँ, boat यहाँ पे है. Clip यहाँ पे ये रे. Clip. हाँ, वो white से
इसको
है.
clip बोलने लगे थे.
ये यहाँ पे.
Okay. So I think we have completed the target. Yes. Only
everyone.
4 likes.
Come on, everyone. Let's have 4 likes and we will start our session. So all the best, those of you who are new here, right on this particular platform. So let me tell you, this is a quiz platform which is www.menti.com. यहाँ पे वो क्या करना है? आंसर देना है, सही आंसर देना है. So for the correct answer, you will get the points. And if you answer it really very quickly, the faster you are, the more points you will get over here. पर हम क्या कोशिश करेंगे? हम ये कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारे आंसर गलत ना हो. Because what happens majority of the time that in a hurry burry, we usually pick the incorrect answer. Misclick बहुत होते हैं. So please make sure you read the question carefully. Right, and we will starting. Okay. 210 likes, Ravi sir.
Yeah.
How many likes we have?
210. Let's start the quiz then.
Yes. Okay, everyone. So let's get started. So all the best. I think first question we will have of maths. Let's go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, so here comes your question number 1 on the screens, everybody. So if x equals to 2 plus root 3, then the value of x plus 1 upon x is. Very easy question. जल्दी से इसका आंसर निकालिए. You have plenty of time. आराम से हो जाएगा. Hi Sohi. Welcome to the class. Code.
Hi. Yeah.
But a code is written on the top of the screens. Can you see?
I think they cannot see. The code is 73553509.
Yes.
73553509.
Okay, so we are getting the answers in the chat. Very good. So those who are not participating in the Menti quiz, तो आप chat में भी answer दे सकते हैं. But हम prefer करेंगे कि आप Menti में participate करो क्योंकि बहुत मजा आता है और आपको leaderboard पे आने का भी chance मिलेगा, है ना? चलो 3, 2, 1 and your time's up. So the right answer was 4. Very good. 143 students have given the right answer. Well done. तो बच्चा question बहुत easy है. बस आपको rationalize करना था. जब आप 1 upon x की value निकालोगे, let's see here, x का value अगर 2 plus root 3 है तो 1 upon x will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Right? Let's rationalize this. तो जब rationalize करते हो तो हम क्या करते हैं? उसके conjugate के साथ मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को. तो वी विल गेट 2 minus root 3 in the numerator and denominator में a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So we will get 4 minus 3 जो कि अल्टीमेटली 1 हो जाएगा. So basically 1 upon x का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? 2 minus root 3. एंड यहाँ पे हमें एडिशन करना था तो x plus 1 upon x क्या हो जाएगा? 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. This root 3 part would be cancelled out and you will be left with 4 only, right? So 4 is the right answer here. Very good. जिन्होंने silly mistake किया है बच्चा एक बार चेक करके दोबारा से attempt करने की कोशिश करना. Question is very easy. I hope आपने misclick कर दिया. चलो कोई बात नहीं.
And so with this we have the math score which is 143.
Okay, so the math score is 143.
Yes.
All right. Very good मुस्कान. फिर तो मजा आएगा बहुत.
हाँ.
चलो तो आगे बढ़े.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me erase.
हाँ. Yes.
Okay, so now it's time for the bio question.
143 was a math score. Okay, we can write over there. And here we have the question for the bio. Here we have the
Yes.
question for bio. I hope it's an easy question. Anyways, we have just 3 chapters, so it's very easy. Okay. Arrange the statement in a correct sequence of preparation of the green manure. Green plants are decomposed in soil. Green plants are cultivated for preparing manure or crop. Plants are used. Plants are plowed and mixed in soil, and after decomposition it becomes green manure. It's a very lengthy question. Please read the question carefully. I think we had this question in our revision session also. So I hope that you'll be able to find the answer. We have to find the correct sequence of the green manure. So we'll discuss about it. What is green manure once all of you will pick the correct answer. Yes? Very good, everyone. So there are 2 important terms that we have over here, green and manure. This is from the improvement of food resources chapter. Yes, very good, everyone. And 145 of you have voted for the correct answer. Now, very good. If we go back to the next slide, we'll have the correct order also. Yes, I think yes. Over here, we have the correct order, everyone. So, green manure are the small plants, right, which are actually cultivated. And these plants, like such as hemp, right, they will be adding the nutrition into the soil and they add as a manure. So before the main cultivation, the farmers will be adding these plants into the soil. So first, of course, they will cultivate, right? And of course, then they will plow it later and mix it with the soil. Then the green plants will decompose in the soil. And after that, it becomes the green manure. So very good, everyone.
Yes.
So here we have the correct answer and 145 of you have voted for it. So the score for bio will be 145. Very good.
Very nice. So now let's move to the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here comes your next question. Question number 3 on your screens. ध्यान से अपनी नोटबुक्स वगैरह लेके बैठो. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि हवा में कैलकुलेशंस करना है. वैसे इस क्वेश्चन में जरूरत नहीं है, but still get your notebooks ready, okay?
Yes. Shiv, we will come for class 10th also, and many of you are asking about the timing of the class. 1 hour.
Okay. Degree of the zero polynomial is, ये बहुत बार पढ़ाया है जब भी हमने polynomial chapter किया है. हमने हमेशा इस point पे discussion किया है, right? So is it 1, 0, not defined, or any natural number? So what is the degree of this zero polynomial?
Is it easy, ma'am?
Yeah, it's very easy, but tricky.
Nice. Majority of you have given the correct
Yes.
answer.
And 100 students have given the right answer, but I'm just देख रही हूँ कि इतने बच्चों का गलत क्यों हुआ
इन
है.
बच्चों को ना हाँ ये मेजर नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं.
Yeah. So देखो zero of the degree of the zero polynomial. Degree क्या होती है? Highest power of the variable, right? तो अगर zero polynomial है, what is a zero polynomial? Zero polynomial होता है जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म है, that is zero. जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म होता है, that is zero, right? So zero polynomial को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? This is my zero polynomial. तो इसका डिग्री कैसे होगा? अब zero के साथ आप x लगा लो. Suppose मैंने zero के साथ x लगा ली, तो x की आप कोई भी पावर ले लो, 0 ले लो, 1 ले लो, 2 ले लो, any number you take, the polynomial is going to be 0 only. तो मतलब यहाँ पे डिफाइंड नहीं है. वी कैन टेक एनी पावर ऑफ द एक्स. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर वाज नॉट डिफाइंड, क्योंकि कुछ भी वैल्यू आ सकती है यहाँ पे और वो सारी वैल्यू 0 कहला सकती हैं. ठीक है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे नॉट डिफाइंड इज द राइट आंसर. क्लियर है सबको? यस. ओके. 0 नहीं होगा बेटा, 0 होता है कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल का. कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल, कांस्टेंट का मतलब होता है हमारे पास अगर एक कांस्टेंट है पॉलिनोमियल में, तो इसका मतलब इसके साथ अगर मैं कोई वेरिएबल लगाऊं उसका पावर डेफिनेटली 0 होगा, तभी इसका आंसर 5 रहेगा. अदरवाइज इट विल चेंज. अदरवाइज वो 5x बन जाएगा या 5x स्क्वायर बन जाएगा, वो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल नहीं रहेगा. तो इसको कांस्टेंट बनने के लिए x की पावर हैज टू बी 0. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई जो बच्चे ये बोल रहे हैं कि मैम इसका 1 होगा या 0 होगा, तो वो इसलिए नहीं है. आई थिंक यू गॉट योर आंसर. रीजन सबको पता चल गया? यस. चलो, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, and 100 is a score for
Maths. All right.
Here we move to the next question. Let's see. All the best, everyone. You're doing amazing, right? And here we go to the question number 4. Leaderboard bhi aa jayega. Don't worry, we'll have the leaderboard also. So among these, we have to select the odd one out. Please do read the statement carefully. The movement of the water across a semi-permeable membrane is affected by the amount of substance dissolved in it. Membrane are made up of the organic molecules such as proteins and lipids. Molecules soluble in the organic solvent can be easily passed through the membrane, and plasma membrane contain chitin sugar in plants. So we have to select the odd one out. Those of you who are saying that you cannot join the Menti and you are saying that polls are not visible, so you will not be able to see the polls because we are having the quiz on a different platform, which is Menti. On a new tab, write www.menti.com. They'll be asking you for the code, and the code is 73553509. Yes, very good everyone. So 132 of you have voted for the correct answer. And the correct answer, the odd one out among the following is that plasma membrane contains chitin, sugar in plants, which is not the case. They have the cellulose, right? Chitin, we have it in the fungi and not in the plants. So very good everyone, very good. Feels good that you remember that particular concept, because majority of the time we always get confused with the cellulose and the chitin. Right? Very good. Clear nahi dikh raha hai? I think it's pretty much clear. We tried it out. I'll just join the session and see. Yes, very good everyone. So I think, yeah, 132 points can be added to the bio part, and we'll move to the next question. Now this was an easy question, but I can see many of you got confused with it. So if you look at the other three options, right? So we know that plasma membrane is made up of the lipids and proteins. Then of course option 3 talks about that inorganic can easily pass, right? It is semi-permeable membrane. And of course the first points talk about the semi-permeable membrane, and only the required molecules will be moving. So bhadiya. Yes.
Okay, so now let's move forward with the next question. Ab maths ka question aayega. Yes, chaliye. So here comes your question number 5 on the screens. Make sure कि your notebooks are ready. All right. So here comes your question, बच्चा. One student is asking कि revision. बेटा ये revision ही हो रहा है आपका. हम revision ही करा रहे हैं. तो
हाँ मतलब हाँ.
इस पूरे week में आपका revision ही होगा. Don't worry about it.
और just in case अगर आप नए बच्चे हैं, अच्छा पहले ये question कर लो, फिर we'll help you with that.
Okay, so the question says the value of p for which x plus p is a factor of this polynomial. So it is saying that x plus p is a factor. तो factor theorem को recall करने की कोशिश करो कि उसमें क्या पढ़ा था. आपको फैक्टर दे रखा है, उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि ये जो x plus p है वो इस पॉलिनोमियल को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करेगा. ठीक है, जब डिवाइड करता है तो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू गिव मी द वैल्यू ऑफ p इन दिस क्वेश्चन. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. साइन का मिस्टेक कर रहे हो आप लोग, साइन का मिस्टेक हो रहा है बच्चे. ओके, सो 92 इन्होंने साइन में गलती करी है. देखो बच्चे, चलो लेट्स सी कि यहाँ पे क्या करना था. लेट्स जस्ट चेक दिस आउट. ओके, सो आपके पास क्या है? x प्लस पी फैक्टर है. तो जो भी फैक्टर होता है सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, उसका जीरो निकाल लेते हैं. जीरो निकालने का मतलब वी पुट दैट polynomial equal to 0. तो x का वैल्यू आ जाएगा minus p. Now we will substitute this minus p in this polynomial here. Right? So if you substitute minus p here, you will get minus p square plus p into minus p plus 3 minus p equals to 0. Why equals to 0? क्योंकि ये हमें क्या देता है, जब हम substitute करते हैं वैल्यू, we will get the remainder. Since it is already saying us कि वो इसका फैक्टर है, that means it's completely dividing the polynomial, that means the remainder is going to be 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा? माइनस p का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? p स्क्वायर प्लस ये माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा, बन जाएगा माइनस p स्क्वायर. यू विल गेट प्लस 3 माइनस p 1 सेकेंड इक्वल्स टू 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये तो कैंसिल आउट हो गए, तो आपके पास बचा 3 माइनस p इक्वल्स टू 0. तो 3 इक्वल्स टू p इज द राइट आंसर हियर. ठीक है, तो साइन में गलती हो गया है, आपको p का वैल्यू निकालना था, तो पहले यू हैव टू ट्रांसपोज दिस p टू द राइट हैंड साइड. ठीक है, इजी क्वेश्चन. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. डायरेक्ट फैक्टर थ्योरम का एप्लीकेशन था. चलिए, सो 92 इज द स्कोर. मैं देख रही हूँ बहुत सारे बच्चों ने सिली मिस्टेक कर दिया. प्लीज ध्यान रखना इन क्वेश्चंस का. आज जितने भी सेशन में क्वेश्चंस होंगे सारे इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिवाइज हो जाएंगे, सो बी अटेंटिव. ओके, चल. So leaderboard आएगा. I think we will have a leaderboard now. Let's see. So
after I think this question.
Okay, so 6 question के बाद leaderboard आएगा. ठीक है?
Hopefully.
चलो. So question number 6 now.
Yes, everyone. Very good.
And बच्चा hit the like button also. Let's set 300 likes. 300 का target करते हैं जल्दी से. शाबाश.
So here we have a very interesting question. While doing work and running, you move your organs like hand, legs, etc. According to this information, which among the following is correct? Read the options carefully. Smooth muscles contract and pull the ligament to move the bones. Smooth muscles contract and pull the tendons to move the bones. Skeletal muscles contract and pull the ligaments to the bones to move the bones, or skeletal muscles contract and pull the tendons to make the movement of the bones. Yes, please ask your doubt, Danish. Please do write your doubt. Yes.
And Fatima बच्चा quickly join the session. जल्दी जल्दी से जो बच्चे अभी आ रहे हैं इस क्लास में फटाफट से मेंटी क्विज ज्वाइन कर लो. You just go to www.menti.com and enter the code which is written on the top, that is 73553509. Okay.
Very good. So now if you look over here, 94 of you have got the correct answer and 67 of you got actually confused. So one thing is very clear, the answer was skeletal muscle. Why? Because we are discussing about the organs or the parts like hand and leg. So of course when we are discussing about the movement like of hand and leg, we are always connect to the skeletal muscles because they in our control. हम skeletal muscles को या फिर voluntary muscles हम लोग control कर सकते हैं. तो इन मसल्स को हम स्केलेटल मसल्स बोलते हैं. फिर हम लोग कहां पे कंफ्यूज हुए? ओवर हियर, राइट? टेंडन इज द वन दैट एक्चुअली जॉइन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट्स, राइट? मसल्स एंड बोन्स टुगेदर. Yes, over here. So I think many of you got confused over there, but the correct answer is option number D. Very good, everyone. Those of you who have voted for it. And जिन लोगों को confusion है, I hope that now it is clear. Yes.
Sakshi bacha code is written on the top, that is 7355
नहीं दिख रहा.
35.
They'll not be able to see. The code is 73553509.
Yeah.
मतलब हमें दिख रहा है पर ऐसे वो कट गए.
Okay.
I think now we'll have the leaderboard, everyone. Yes, we have the leaderboard. वो दिख रहा है
छोटा सा.
Oh yes, sorry. Yes, you can see
बहुत
the.
छोटा सा है बच्चों, थोड़ा सा अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा.
Yes, and here we have the leaderboard. Here we have the leaderboard, ma'am. Fastest is Rishan.
So Rishan is on the top and the fastest one. Well done. And on second position we have Shivansh, then Devansh Singh, Shifa Ahmed, Sneha, Uday Arora, Shinix, Om Kush, Anvi Sharma and Srishti. Very well done, guys. Congratulations to all of you. तो ये बच्चे हैं हमारे top 10 students on the leaderboard. Well done, everyone. And बाकी बच्चे भी अपना rank का track रखो. Make sure अगर leaderboard पे आ नहीं रहे हो, doesn't matter. Make sure कि you are मतलब आपका rank improve हो रहा है. ठीक है? You are improving. ठीक है? चलिए. So now let's move forward to the next question. अब आएगी maths की बारी. So ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को रीड करना है बच्चे. Alright. So question number 7 on your screens. So the point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 6 units in the positive direction of y-axis is. ध्यान से देखो, y-axis की बात हो रही है. जल्दी से विजुलाइज करके इसका आंसर आप दे सकते हो. Easily. Yes. The point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 6 units in the positive direction of y-axis. Point y-axis के ऊपर lie कर रहा है और 6 units positive direction की तरफ है. तो वो point क्या होगा? Very good. So C is the right answer. 190 students have given the answer correctly. Very good. तो बच्चा देखो, अगर if the point is lying on the y-axis, that means the x coordinate is going to be 0. That was for sure. So that means first option और last option तो आप eliminate कर सकते थे. बची बात सिर्फ दो options की. Now उसने next line में क्या mention किया? Positive direction. So +6 होगा, -6 नहीं होगा. So that was the answer. Very good. चलिए. So now moving on to the next question. So 190 points, 190 students ने इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन था, है ना? कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री सबकी फेवरेट है.
हाँ.
Question number 8.
Yes, everyone. Let's see question number 8. Okay, we have to identify the tissue and match the functions. So over here we have a tissue. Look at it very clearly. I think you will have an understanding. बहुत ही easy hint है. Right? Is it a smooth muscle? Beating of a heart, cardiac muscle, bowel movement, cardiac muscle, beating of the heart, striated muscle or the skeletal muscle, locomotion. So if you look at the tissue, right, if you look at this tissue, you will be able to find the answer. See, there are three muscles that are mentioned over here: smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle. Right? I can see many wrong answers in the chat. Please look at the image carefully. Remember the branch and the unbranched structure that are really super important, everyone. Okay? That's the only hint I would be able to give you now. And the correct answer to this question is option number D. And 104 of you have voted for the correct answer. Now, if you look at the image, right, it's not branch, right? It's all together. So it cannot be the cardiac muscle, right? And of course, definitely it has the striatation. Basically, it has a light and a dark band. The closest confusion was that of the, beating of the heart. But if you look at it, right, it's not branch. It's very parallel to each other. So, very good. So, 104 points added to the bio team. Right, everyone. So, very good. So, doing great, everyone. But we're just checking the likes. Thoda sa, matlab, it's very important. I can see so much Josh in the chat, everyone. I hope that all of you have hit the like button.
Yes. Quickly hit the like button, everybody. I know you guys are learning from the session. आपका revision हो रहा है अच्छे से. Yes. So one student is asking, बच्चा जो अपना constant polynomial होता है उसकी डिग्री होती है 0. Constant polynomial का डिग्री 0 होता है. ठीक है? Yes. चलिए.
हाँ ये देखो जब मैथ्स क्वेश्चन बायो में लिखिए ये क्या है
और जब बायो का आता है मेरा भी यही हाल होता है कि ये क्या है. Okay, so now question number 9 on your screens. Two angles whose measures are A and B are such that 2A minus 3B is 60 degrees. Then 5B will be equal to what if they form the linear pair? Question को ध्यान से पढ़ना है. एक इक्वेशन आपके पास ऑलरेडी दे रखी है 2A minus 3B equals to 60 और उसने ये भी बोल रखा है कि we have two angles A and B and they are forming a linear pair. Now you know the property when the angles are forming the linear pair आपको क्या relationship use करना होता है and then solve the question and find the value of 5B. आपको 5B का वैल्यू निकालना है. चलो शाबाश. Alrighty, so we have okay. So confusion है. 67 स्टूडेंट्स ने इसका सही आंसर दिया है. लेट्स चेक कि इसमें आप क्या गलती कर रहे हो. देखते हैं जरा. तो आपके पास देखो उसने बोला था कि these A and B angles are forming the linear pair. तो यहाँ से we know the relationship when they form the linear pair. That means sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degrees. I think this is clear to everyone, right? The other equation was given in the question itself. 2A minus 3B. 2A minus 3B equals to 60. This was given to us, right? Now, अब हम क्या करेंगे? Let's या तो you can use the substitution method और आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can find the value of A from this equation and put it here. Or what we can do is हम यहाँ पे इसको और कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? Let me multiply this equation by 2. मैं इस इक्वेशन को बच्चा अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी तो what will I get? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा so I'll get 2A plus 2B and on the right hand side I'll get 360 degrees. Now I will subtract this equation 2. I will subtract equation 1 from equation 2 क्योंकि equation 1 छोटा है तो equation 1 को मैं इसके नीचे लिख रही हूँ. Let me change the color. So equation 1 को मैं नीचे लिख रही हूँ 2A minus 3B equals to 60 degrees. Now let's subtract both the equations. जब आप दोनों equations को बेटा subtract करोगे तो 2A minus 2A will get cancelled out, right? 2B plus 3B क्या हो जाएगा? ये बन जाएगा 5B और यहाँ पे बन जाएगा 360 minus 60 क्या हो जाएगा? 300 degrees. So that's why our right answer was 300 degrees. दूसरा तरीका क्या कर सकते हो? आप इस वाली इक्वेशन में से ये जो लीनियर पेयर वाली इक्वेशन है, you can find the value of A from here. A का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा? 180 minus B. Then put this value of A in this equation. Again you will find the same answer. Again you will find the same answer. ठीक है. तो दो तरीके होते हैं दो लीनियर इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने के. मैंने आपको दो तरीके, एक मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया, दूसरा तरीका आप खुद से अप्लाई करके भी देख सकते हो. एक इक्वेशन में से एक वेरिएबल का वैल्यू निकाल के दूसरे में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो तो वन वेरिएबल में इक्वेशन बन जाएगी, फिर बी का वैल्यू आप आराम से निकाल लोगे. ठीक है. चलो ये मैं मान सकती हूँ कि टाइम शायद आपको थोड़ा सा कम लगेगा. बच्चा 300 ही लिखा है मैंने, आपको 6 लग रहा है. ये 300 इज द राइट आंसर.
अच्छा.
यस. चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, everyone. So we'll have a bio question. I can see Tanishk, your doubt is that we'll just wait for 1 minute. That what will be effect of variation if there's no niche. So of course bio में niche का मतलब हम ये बोलते हैं कि एक organism है जो उस एरिया में रह रहा है particularly और वो उसी एरिया में है, right? उसी के environmental जो आसपास की कंडीशंस है वो उसके लिए सूटेबल है. यूजुअली व्हाट वी से दैट वन species who are living in that particular niche, if there's introduction of another species, that there will be the resources competition and other things. So if there's a variation, right, if there's a variation happening, it will be difficult for the existing or the old species to survive. That's what we can write in our examination. But I think this wala portion is not there in the CBSE, so you don't worry about it. Just in case if it comes, you can connect the variation where of course we'll see the changes and then you can connect it with the niche. Okay? Okay.
Okay, so now let's move on to the next question here.
अरे शाइनिक्स क्या मतलब है, तो पूरा पॉलिटिक्स से ना पूरा मूवी का प्लॉट चल रहा है यहाँ पे. कम ऑन,
सीन क्रिएट करके इमेजिन करके देख रहे हैं.
लेट्स फोकस एवरीवन बैक ऑन द मेंटी एंड everyone.
Yes.
Question number 10 of bio, and here we go. Let's take a look over here. Identify A, B, C, D. It's a very easy question. You have to look at the image and then you have to identify A, B, C, D. It's very easy, everyone. All the terms are kind of same, but yeah, only one option is correct. What is A, what is B, what is C, and what is D? If you can identify one, right? If you can identify one or two clearly, then you will be able to find the correct answer.
But I think you would be able to see this picture clearly on Menti platform.
हाँ, यहाँ सही दिख रहा है.
या
Menti
थोड़ा
पे सही.
हाँ, YouTube पे ब्लर आ रहा है और Menti पे सही दिख रहा होगा. So just देखो यहाँ पे ABCD का वैल्यू क्या आएगा.
Menti पे सही था क्योंकि हमने चेक कर लिया था. Just in case.
Okay, so काफी सारे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. A और B में कंफ्यूजन.
हाँ सही दिख रहा है. See, I have it with me. सही दिख रहा है. A, B, C, D. It's perfectly fine, everyone. See, you try to identify at least one, and you will be able to find the correct answer. I think इसमें बहुत सारा लोचा हो सकता है. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो गया है. 79 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer over here is, if you can go back to the next slide, we have the sieve tubes. A is a sieve tube, right? Sieve plate, basically. B, of course, over here is a sieve tubes. Right, then we have phloem and parenchyma, which is at the extreme end, and then after that we have the companion cell. So I hope that this is clear, everyone. See, the biggest hint over here, right, the biggest hint that we have in this particular diagram is the sieve plates and the sieve tubes. So over here we can see the sieve plates, right? Sieves in beech mein. Over here we have, I think,
It's selected.
yes, over here if you see, right, this part. Yes, so basically it has these small gaps in between. So this is the tube, right? And so we have the structure. There will be, this actually help us to understand about the structure. So very good, everyone. I think, what was the score? We have added the score, right, Ravi?
So the score was 79.
हाँ, 79. Yes, 79. Okay. So very good, everyone. You're asking what is the function of vacuoles. So vacuoles are present in both the plant cells and the animal cells. In plant cells, of course, the size of the vacuole is very huge, right? It actually helps us in storage. Whereas in the animal, the size and the number of the vacuoles definitely vary. So in animal cells, we have small vacuoles, but they are more in number. Again, the main important role of the vacuoles is in the terms of the storage. So with that, everyone, we are done with this. Let's move ahead, right, to the next question. After this, I think we'll have the leaderboard also, after question number 12.
Okay, so very common question. In the figure, if OP is parallel to RS, angle OPQ is 110, QRS ka value 130 hai, and then you have to find the value of angle PQR. Very easy question. This is an NCERT question and we have practiced such questions a lot of times. Hi, sample papers. Divyanshu, can you write your comment again? I am not able to read it.
And nobody's ignoring you, but your chat is running really very fast, so I think we might miss your
दिव्यांशु
comments.
बच्चा, while you are solving the sample papers, if you feel like कि आपके marks अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो एक काम करो, जहाँ पे आप sample papers में जिस question पे आप अटक रहे हो, तो make sure you are looking for the concept कि आपका concept clear है या नहीं. आप देखो कि कहाँ पे problem आ रही है. कई बार concept clear नहीं होता, कई बार formula नहीं पता होता, कई बार calculation में आप गलती कर रहे हो. तो look for the mistakes that you are making while solving the sample papers, क्योंकि तभी आप improve कर पाओगे. और अगर अभी, क्योंकि अब time बहुत कम रह चुका है, तो अभी से improve नहीं करोगे, तो boards में भी वही same गलती रिपीट करने के चांस रहेंगे. सो मेक श्योर व्हाइल यू आर सॉल्विंग द सैम्पल पेपर, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि यू आर सॉल्विंग दोस, बट मेक श्योर कि आप उन मिस्टेक्स को रिविजिट करो और देखो कि कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, कॉन्सेप्ट में है, कैलकुलेशन में है, या फिर आपका जो आपने वैल्यूज निकाली हैं गलत निकाली हैं, मतलब क्या गलती क्या कर रहे हो. बेसिकली यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट, तभी इंप्रूवमेंट होगा. ठीक है, चलिए. सो आई थिंक ओके, सो वी हैव 137 स्टूडेंट्स हैव गिवन द राइट आंसर. तो आपको PQR का वैल्यू निकालना था बच्चे. PQR कहाँ पे है? PQR, दिस एंगल यू हैव टू फाइंड. तो यहाँ पे एक छोटू सा कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको करना होता. जस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट अ लाइन, दिस लाइन पैरेलल टू दीज टू लाइन्स. तो ये लाइन ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लो, दिस लाइन विल बी पैरेलल टू दीज बोथ लाइन्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये आपस में पैरेलल है, सो दिस लाइन विल आल्सो बी पैरेलल टू दीज टू लाइन्स ओवर हियर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे वी नो दैट व्हेन द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल and this is a transversal, so these two angles will be co-interior angles, right? If this is 130, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? ये आपके पास क्या बन जाएगा बेटा? ये आपके पास बन जाएगा 50. One second. ये आपके पास बन जाएगा 50, right? और अगर ये आपके पास 50 बन गया, also you know that कि these are called alternate interior angles. इनका वैल्यू भी सेम होगा. So if these two are alternate interior angles, तो आप यहाँ से x का वैल्यू निकाल लो. x plus 50 equals to 110. तो यहाँ से आपका आंसर आ जाना था, right? Is it clear to everyone? सबको समझ में आ गया ये क्वेश्चन? So the right answer here was 60 degrees. Okay, so 110 में से आपको 50 को माइनस करना था. चलिए, नाउ यस, इट वॉज एन एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन, और मैंने आपको बहुत बार बोला है एनसीईआरटीज तो एकदम टिप्स पे होनी चाहिए. आपके क्वेश्चंस, एक एक क्वेश्चन, एक एक एग्जाम्पल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपने अच्छे से 2-3 बार तो कम से कम सॉल्व कर लिया. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, और इसके बाद आएगा लीडर बोर्ड. तो ध्यान से अब आंसर करना.
Yes, everyone. Here we have the question number 12, and let's see the question. Okay, this is the maths hai yahan pe everyone. Let's see how many of you can solve this question. 5 grams of raisin was soaked in a water for 24 hours, weighed 7 grams. The correct percentage of the water absorbed by raisins is easy here. बहुत ही easy formula hai. You know what you have to do, right? Everyone quickly vote for the correct answer. Here we have 4%, we have 25, 40%, 20 or 45%. Easy. It's a very straightforward question, right? It's a very simple formula, right? It's a very, very easy concept, I would say.
यशोधन बच्चे, alternate segment theorem का proof आपके syllabus में नहीं है, but you can use this theorem to solve so many questions in the circle chapter. ठीक है, you can use this theorem, आप bracket में लिख सकते हो I'm using alternate segment theorem, your teacher would know. ठीक है, but इसका proof वगैरह वो नहीं पूछा जाएगा. ठीक है,
and let's see. Yes, very good everyone. Few more seconds everyone, and 3, 2, 1 and go. I hope all of you have answered this question correctly, and the correct answer is 40%. Very good. 130 of you have voted for the correct answer, and of course the correct answer is 40 degree. Sorry, 40%. Math में मैं भी degree में जा रही हूँ. Yes. So of course यहाँ पे से if you know that 7 minus 5 you will do, right? Basically if you want, so weigh 2 minus weigh 1, right? And of course if you do like percentage, you will be able to find the answer, right? 40%. Easy peasy everyone. Yes. So I hope that this is clear to each one of you. Very good everyone. Yes. It was a good question, right? Very good. So now everyone will be looking at the leaderboard, and let's take a look at the leaderboard. Now we're done with 12 questions. We have 12 more to go, right ma'am?
yes. So
that's good.
Half of the questions are done. Okay, so loading results, let's refresh it. Okay, so here we have the leaderboard. Alright, so
130.
this time Himanshi has given the fastest answer and Divansh Singh is on the top. Well done. On second position we have Shivansh, Rishan, Himanshi, SRJ, Maths and Biology both favorite. Then Abhigyan, Srishti, Rinku Sharma, Uday Arora and Shifa Ahmad. Well done guys. So ये है हमारे top 10 students. बहुत ही बढ़िया. और आप लोग भी चैट में बताओ कि आपके क्या क्या रैंक्स बन रहे हैं. ठीक है, यू कीप ऑन टेलिंग अस. जब भी हम लीडर बोर्ड दिखाते हैं आप अपने रैंक्स बता सकते हो, आप अपनी पोजीशंस बता सकते हो कि अभी तक कौन सी पोजीशन पे हो एंड कैसे इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज क्या कर रहे हैं. सर्कल हार्ड है, कोई बात नहीं बच्चे, आप वन शॉट देखिए, इजी लगेगा. अगर सर्कल हार्ड लग रहा है एटलीस्ट कवर द एनसीईआरटी प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, लीव आर डी शर्मा, लीव आर एस अग्रवाल, कवर द एनसीईआरटी प्रॉपरली, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द थ्योरम्स.
Ravi sir, we have to add 132 bio marks.
Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Yes. So here comes your next question बच्चे. ध्यान से देखना और डायग्राम बनाना है इसका. The diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at the point O. If angle DAC is 32 degrees and angle AOB is 70 degrees, then angle DBC is equal to. You have to make the diagram first. हवा में कोई भी इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व नहीं करेगा. जल्दी जल्दी से डायग्राम बना के मुझे इसका सही आंसर दे दो फटफट से. इतना मुश्किल क्वेश्चन नहीं है. जस्ट एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाओ ABCD, डायगोनल्स बनाओ, उनको इंटरसेक्ट कराओ 0 पे, एंड DAC, मार्क DAC as 32 degrees, AOB as 70 degrees, and then try to figure out how will we reach to this angle DBC. Okay, so I can see so many right answers in the chat here. Okay. And few of you are also giving me the wrong answers, so please check कि कैसे करना है ये question. Okay, so 80 students have given the right answer. Okay, 80 students, तो काफी बच्चों ने गलत कर दिया है. So let's check it out कि इस question को कैसे solve करना था. Okay, so इसको देखते हैं बच्चे. देखो यहाँ पे आपको बोला है पैरेललोग्राम बनाना है, तो सबसे पहले हमने ये पैरेललोग्राम बना दिया. लेट्स नेम इट एज A B C and D. डायगोनल्स का बोला है, डायगोनल्स बना दो. दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट O, so I'm marking it as point O. Right now it is given that angle DAC is 32 degrees, right? So DAC, this angle is given as 32 degrees. AOB, this angle is given as 70 degrees. You have to find angle DBC, you have to find this angle. तो कैसे करोगे इस एंगल को, कैसे फाइंड किया जाएगा? अ वेरी इजी स्टेप. यहाँ पे मुझे बताओ कौन सा आपने प्रॉपर्टी यूज किया. वैसे यू नो दैट इन अ पैरेललोग्राम ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, है ना. पैरेललोग्राम में ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होती हैं. सो अगर ये साइड इसके पैरेलल है तो यहाँ पे ये कैसे एंगल्स बन जाएंगे? दीज एंगल्स विल बी ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. दैट मीन्स इफ दिस इज 32 तो ये वाला एंगल भी क्या हो जाएगा? 32 डिग्रीज. नाउ इन दिस ट्राइंगल, अब आप देखो इन ट्राइंगल COB ट्राइंगल के अंदर यू कैन अप्लाई एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, है ना. आप यहाँ पे एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी लगा सकते थे. दैट मीन्स एक्सटीरियर एंगल कौन सा है यहाँ पे? 70. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू x प्लस 32. तो यहाँ से बेटा आपके पास x का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 70 माइनस 32. आई होप द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू. सबको क्लियर है क्वेश्चन? यस एवरीबडी. चलो, तो आई थिंक द एक्सप्लेनेशन क्लियर है. यस. Okay, moving on to the next question here. So 80 students have given the right answer. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question ध्यान से करना, बायो का क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. Improve your scores everybody. All right. So question number 14.
Here we have, so Reena was observing a slide, right? And this slide was of parenchyma. So what she will see, the cell must be of what type, right? Have thick walls, have non-nucleated walls, right? Or they are non-nucleated cell, have thickened corners, or have a very thin walls with the intercellular space. So let's suppose if you get a slide which has the parenchyma tissues, right? What types of cells you will be observing there? Everyone, quickly.
बच्चा मीनवाइल जिन बच्चों ने आंसर दे दिया जल्दी से लाइक बटन भी हिट करो. ओनली 20 more likes to no only 10 more likes to go. Let me see. जल्दी से let's hit 350 likes. Those who are joining this session right now, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yes everybody. Okay, we have so many students.
Yes. So very good everyone, 141 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer is that the identification that we have for the parenchyma is that they'll have very thin walls and they have lot of intercellular space. So if I have to draw this, ma'am, can I have the pen? Yes. So if I have to draw this, we know that the cells will have a lot of intercellular space, right? That's a very, very important characteristics about the parenchyma. And they have a very thin cell wall, okay? Of course, they will have lots and lots of intercellular space. That's a major characteristic feature of the parenchyma, right? So very good everyone. Yes, very good. 144 of you have voted for the correct answer. So kudos to each one of you. Yes. Badhiya hai. It was a very easy questions. Very well done everyone. Now we have question number 15. Yes, we'll change the color of the pen. We'll do that. Oh, this is good. Bright. Okay.
Okay. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that AB is the diameter of the circle circumscribing it, and angle ADC is 140 degrees, angle BAC you have to find. So make sure quickly draw the diagram first, right? जो given है उसको diagram में reflect करो and then try to find the value of angle BAC. Okay. So
नहीं ना, इसका मतलब क्या होगा मुझे?
Cyclic quadrilateral, it means quadrilateral के बाहर circle है. Yeah. And quadrilateral के सारे vertices they are lying on the circle. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, very good. 92 of you.
Very good. So 92 students have given the right answer here. So I hope आपने diagram ठीक से बना लिया हो. तो आपके पास cyclic quadrilateral है. पहले हम circle बना देते हैं. So ये बनाया मैंने circle. ठीक है? Because it is circle circumscribing it. Circumscribing means outer जो boundary है, that is the circle, and quadrilateral is lying inside the circle. But since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so all the vertices of the quadrilateral should lie on the circle. So यहाँ पे it has mentioned that AB is the diameter, so I am drawing the diameter first. So this is my diameter AB, and the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. तो यहाँ पे ABCD ऐसे करके कोई भी ऐसे आप quadrilateral बना दो, ठीक है? So AB, this will be C, this will be our D. ठीक है? So this is our cyclic quadrilateral. What is given to us? Angle ADC is 140. ADC, this angle is given as 140 degrees, and you have to find the value of angle BAC. अब BAC का आपको value निकालना है BAC. तो BAC angle कौन सा हो जाएगा? ये वाला angle. So इसका value आपको निकालना था. अच्छा, आपको property पता है? क्या property पता है यहाँ पे cyclic quadrilateral का क्या property होता है? Can anyone tell me here in the chat? साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल का एक बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रॉपर्टी होता है, किसी को पता है? दैट द ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इन द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल आर सप्लीमेंट्री. yes or no? ये किस किस को पता था? yes, opposite angles are supplementary. that means their sum is equal to 180 degrees. so if this is angle D, this is angle B, these two are the opposite angles, तो इन दोनों का sum क्या होगा? 180 होगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? ये वाला एंगल कितना बन जाएगा? this will be 40 degrees. तभी इन दोनों का सम 180 बनेगा. सो ये एंगल भी आपके पास 40 आ चुका है. एंगल x आपको निकालना है. अच्छा, देयर इज वन मोर theorem that we have studied, that angle in the semicircle is always 90 degrees. तो यहाँ पे can you find the semicircle? ये हमारे पास semicircle है, ये semicircle है, और इसके अंदर एंगल क्या बन रहा है? ये एंगल बन रहा है बेटा. So angle in the semicircle is always 90 degrees. So that means one angle is 40 degrees, the other angle is 90 degrees, and third angle हमें निकालना है. So we will apply angle sum property, और यहाँ से you will get the value of x as 50 degrees. Clear everybody? सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes. चलिए. So now moving on to the next question.
अरे क्यों? मतलब मुझे भी आती है मैथ्स, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रही हूँ. मतलब इतनी भी एक्सपर्ट नहीं है हम लोग. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. पूरे सेशन में ये लोग मेरा ही मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. क्या लगता है आपको अंकिता मैम को मैथ्स नहीं आती? बहुत बढ़िया मैथ्स आती है. मतलब उतनी भी नहीं, पर थैंक यू मैम सो मच. बट हाँ, बट यस, लेट्स मूव अहेड एवरीवन. Let's move ahead to the next question. After this, hopefully we'll have the leaderboard. Let's see. Long way to go, everyone. Here we go. So we have to identify A, B and C. It's a diagram based question. I hope that all of you get this right. So we have A diagram, B and C. So we have to identify. So if you're able to identify one thing amongst these 4 options, you will be able to find the answer. That's the easiest way to do it, right? So everyone quickly pick your correct answer.
I got the answer.
Which one?
I just know this one.
Yes. Sahi hai. Wahi sahi hai. Everyone quickly pick the correct answer. So we have 3 different types of cells, and we know that we have different types of cells depending upon the function they perform. So we have 3 different types of cells, and each of these have a very specific function in the body, right? And of course, based upon that only we have studied about that the shape and the size of the cell varies, right? Very good, everyone. 170 of you have voted for the correct answer. So we had 3 different types of cells over there. We had sclerenchyma, we have neuron, and parenchyma. Yes. So it's very, very interesting, everyone. Yes. So of course we know that in terms of the sclerenchyma, we know that it is present in the plants, right? And of course the cells are surrounded by the lignin, which actually make them dead cells, right? Of course, and they provide the mechanical support to the plants. Apart from that, neuron, we all know, plays a very important role in the nervous system, and they are the fundamental, they are the structure and the functional unit of the nervous system, and they are the one that carries the information throughout the body. And parenchyma, of course, we know that it's present in the different parts of a plant, and we have just discussed about it. They have very thin walls and they have a lot of intercellular space. Very good, everyone. Super proud of you. Let's move ahead to the next question of maths. Yes, very good.
Okay, question number 17 coming right up. The total surface area of a cone whose radius is r by 2 and slant height is 2l is equal to. बस फॉर्मूला में आपको ये जो दे रखा है वैल्यूज वो पुट करनी है. Make sure it is asking about total surface area of the cone. Yes. So you have 4 options with you. Total surface area of the cone का फॉर्मूला लिखो और उसके बाद put radius equals to r by 2 and height equals to 2l. You will get the answer. Yes.
2l. ऐसा कुछ बनेगा क्या?
Yes. Okay, so last 5 seconds are left. Quickly give the answers, everybody. कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर ज्यादा. Okay, so 77 स्टूडेंट्स ने दिया है सही जवाब. Very good. तुम जल्दी से बता दो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ कोन क्या होता है. What is the total surface area of the cone? Total surface area का मतलब we have to take the curved part, area of the curved part, also the area of the circular base. That means TSA, total surface area of the cone, is equal to pi RL plus pi R square, right? Now let's just substitute the values. In the place of R we will write R by 2. Why? क्योंकि radius को half कर दिया गया है और slant height को 2L twice कर दिया गया है, तो slant height की जगह पे we will write 2L here plus pi again R, so R की जगह पे we will write R by 2 square. So यहाँ पे 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, you will get pi RL plus यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा pi R square by 4. What can we take common here? We can take pi R common, right? So we will get here L and over here we will get R by 4. So match the option. So this is the right answer. Clear? Clear everyone? चलो बहुत इजी था, ये तो फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था, ये सही हो जाना चाहिए था. अगर थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई है, कहीं आप r by 2 करना भूल गए हो, तो ऐसी चीजों का ध्यान रखना आगे से. चलिए, so now let's move on to the next question. All right.
Yes, here we go. Question number 18. We are moving ahead really very quickly, everyone. Now let's take a look at question number 18. I hope that all of you are enjoying the session. Crop rotation of crops helps in it's a very easy question. We have discussed about the crop rotation, right? It actually helps in what? In attacking insects, in altering of the chemicals nature of soil, or in improving soil fertility, or in proliferating weeds. No, it's a very easy question. We have so many options. I know that you know the correct answer. Quickly everyone vote for the correct answer. Very good everyone. मैम बहुत देर से भी आई थिंक हमने लाइक का ट्रैक नहीं करा है. कितने लाइक्स हो गए हैं?
लाइक हो चुके हैं 321.
Very good, everyone. Please make sure you hit the like button. And with this, we have the correct answer. 149 of you have voted for the correct answer. The correct answer is, it actually helps in increasing the fertility of the soil. So we know that crop rotation is a very important and a very amazing practice followed by the farmer to add the nutrient back into the soil. So in one season, they will have a heavy crop like wheat, and in the next season, to add back the nitrogen into the soil, they will grow any leguminous plant like soybean or pea, so that the nitrogen can be broken down, right? And can get into the soil, and that's how it will be helping in improving the fertility of the soil. And there are other factors also over here. So very good, everyone. Rotation of crops helps in improving the soil fertility. Very good, everyone. Very good. Now we have the leaderboard, and I think after that we'll have the final leaderboard, right, ma'am?
Yeah. This is the last second leaderboard.
So everyone, let's see. We have noted down. We will be doing it for class 10th also. So here we have the fastest, which is Anshul. Then we have Devansh, Rishan, Himanshi, Shivansh, Rinku, Shrishti, Abhigyan. We have Anshul. Then we have Janil and SRJ, Maths and Bio. Both favorite. Very good, very good.
Keep it up, everyone. बहुत बढ़िया है जो बच्चे लीडर बोर्ड पे आ रहे हैं. Well done. And बाकी बच्चे quickly tell us your ranks in the chat. Okay? चल. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 19.
It's okay, Anshul. Fine, we know. Yes, everyone. Let's take a look at the maths question, everyone. Come on, come on.
The radius of a hemispherical balloon increases from 6 cm to 12 cm as air is being pumped into it. The ratios of the surface areas of the balloon आपको बताना है. So ratios of the surface areas you have to tell. So on the top in the numerator you will take the surface area of the original balloon and then the inflated one. Okay?
Okay. Balloons.
Yes. Question is easy. Question is easy, बच्चे कर सकते हो.
आंसर याद हो गया.
अच्छा आंसर याद हो गए हैं. क्या बात है यार.
Very good, everyone. Come on.
3, 2, 1 and your time is up. Okay. So I think सबको इसका आंसर पता था. हाँ. 120 students have given the right answer. Very good. Ma'am, I knew the answer but gave wrong answer. कोई बात नहीं जान के. It's okay बेटा. चलो तो आप मुझे ये बताओ कि हेमिस्फेयर की बात हो रही है और सरफेस एरिया निकालना है. तो व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फेयर? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फेयर? यस, जल्दी से बताइए. सरफेस एरिया मतलब टोटल सरफेस एरिया लेना है तो वो क्या होता है? 2 बेटा सरफेस एरिया नॉट वॉल्यूम. नो नो नो, वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला बता रहे हो. 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere. उसका हाफ कर दोगे तो you will get a hemisphere. तो इसका कर्व्ड वाले पार्ट का जो सरफेस एरिया होता है that is 2 pi r square. कर्व्ड वाले पार्ट का सरफेस एरिया is 2 pi r square and this circular base it has the surface area as pi r square. So total surface area of this hemisphere if I talk about, so it will come out to be 3 pi r square, isn't it? है ना. 3 pi r square हो जाएगा. दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं. अच्छा तो ओरिजिनल वाले बलून का मान लेते हैं कि 3 pi r square है. उसका रेशियो किसके साथ लेना है? वी हैव टू टेक द रेशियो विद द इन्फ्लेटेड बलून. तो लेट्स से कि फॉर द इन्फ्लेटेड बलून द रेडियस इज बिकॉज रेडियस इज गेटिंग डबल तो आई टेक द रेडियस एज कैपिटल आर. तो कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. देखो 3 pi विल गेट कैंसल्ड आउट. सो यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद आर. आर इज स्मॉल आर इज 6 छोटे बलून का जो है. ठीक है. एंड कैपिटल आर. So I can write it like this, 6 upon 12 square. So I can say 6 2s are 12. It will get 1 upon 2 square. That is 1 by 4. So the ratio will be 1:4. ठीक है. So ratio कितना आएगा यहाँ पे? 1:4. Right? चलिए शाबाश. So that was our question. Now it's time for the next question. Okay. So we have 120 score and let's move on to the bio question now.
Yes, here we go, everyone. Bio questions. Yes. Here we go, everyone. Let's see this particular question. Okay. Ashish, on observing human cheek cell under the microscope, found flat rectangular cells with no intercellular space, prominent nucleus, or Flat polygonal cells with no intercellular space with prominent nucleus. Round polygonal cells with intracellular spaces, prominent nucleus, everyone. I'm not even reading the all options, it's very easy. Last option, let me just still read. Flat polygonal cells with intracellular space with prominent nucleus. So we're talking about the human cheek cell, right? We're talking about the human cheek cell. Now, do remember that, of course, we have something really very important, that we have studied the tissues. Pick your answer carefully. I can see a few wrong answers in the chat. Everyone, don't look at the chat and then use it as a medium, right? Very well done, everyone, but majority of you have voted for the incorrect answer, unfortunately. 35 of you only have voted for the correct answer. And the correct answer, of course, is they are flat cells, right? They are not rectangular cells. Their shapes is not properly defined. They're polygonal, right? They are present with no intercellular space. They don't have any space between them. So that was the major hint over here, and they have definitely a very prominent nucleus. So unfortunately, 35 of you have voted for the correct answer. And with that, we are done with this particular question. Now we'll be moving ahead. But the chat was misleading. That's why I keep on telling you that focus on what you know. Okay? And after this class, go back and look at the diagram of the human cheek cell that we have in our textbook. Okay? And try to find out which type of epithelial tissues are present over there. Yes. Very good, everyone.
Okay. So now moving on to the next question. 21st question. Maths का question होगा. अब ready हो जाओ. अरे ये तो बहुत easy question है. ये तो आप देखते ही आंसर दे दोगे है ना? In the class intervals 10 to 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, the number 20 is included in. दोनों में 20 दिख रहा है, पर 20 को count किस वाले interval में करते हैं? तो इसका आंसर आपको पता होना चाहिए. बहुत ही easy है. दोनों में count करते हैं, और अगर एक में करते हैं तो किस में करते हैं? 10 to 20 या फिर 20 to 30, या पता ही नहीं है. चलो जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. शाबाश.
Very good, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Duberi ji, welcome to the class.
Yes.
Right.
तो जो बच्चा अभी ज्वाइन किया है इस क्विज को, इस सेशन को देख रहा है, तो मेक श्योर यू लाइक द सेशन एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज लाइक दिस. ओके, सो वी ब्रिंग सो मेनी अमेजिंग वीडियोज फॉर यू. ओके, सो 132 स्टूडेंट्स हैव गिवन द राइट आंसर. शाबाश. तो यही उम्मीद थी मुझे आपसे कि आप इसका आंसर गलत नहीं करोगे. तो जब भी आपको काउंट करना होता है नंबर, हमेशा लोअर लिमिट में काउंट होता है, कभी भी अपर लिमिट काउंट नहीं की जाती है. ठीक है? सो यस, सो लोअर लिमिट दैट इज 20 to 30 में 20 इज द लोअर लिमिट, सो दैट विल बी द आंसर. ऑलराइट, नाउ next question, bio.
Yes, next question, bio, everyone. Few more questions to go. It will be a rapid fire now, very fast. Yes, and let's see the question, everyone. A student was asked to identify the process that occurs when raisins are soaked in the water. So if you soak the raisins in the water, what process will be happening? We know what will be happening to the raisins in the next day, right? Plasmolysis, diffusion, osmosis, or the endocytosis. Read the options carefully. Do not get confused with the options. We're talking about what will happen to the raisins when the water, if you keep the raisins in the water. Yes, very good. So which process is happening? We have to identify that particular process. Now there's a very special process that happens in the raisins, right, and with the water, which is the osmosis, and 119 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very well done, everyone. So we know that osmosis is a process where, of course, the water molecules will move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So over here in the case of these raisins, if you keep the raisins in the water overnight soaked, in the morning you will see that the water will move inside there. Okay? Very good. Yes. So endocytosis means taking inside, right? Taking something inside. Right? Endocytosis, exocytosis. Diffusion is nothing but the movement of the molecules from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. But of course, it does not include any membrane per se. Yes. Okay. Hypotonic solution, Harshit. So hypotonic solution are those solutions that will be helping in gaining of the weight of the cell. Hypo, so always remember hippo, right? So if we have a hypotonic solution, that means that inside the cell there were less water, okay? And outside the cell, of course, there's more amount of water. But if you keep a cell in a solution, a hypotonic solution, it will move inside the cell. And of course, the cell will swell. Plasmolysis is nothing but, of course, when you see that the plasma membrane, right, that we have in a plant cells will actually, of course, what will happen to it? If there is a loss of water, it will move away. And of course, it will come in the center. Yes, extreme shrinkage, yes.
No, bacha, I'm not sad. I was listening to Ankita ma'am, बहुत ध्यान से.
You feel that we are sad? Why we should be sad?
नहीं. चलो. So, now it's time for maths question. Okay. So, here comes your maths question. On your screens, question number 23. So, last second question of the day. So, be ready everybody. Alright. So, here comes your question. The mean of 5 numbers is 30. If one number is excluded, their mean becomes 28. The excluded number is... चलो जल्दी से बताओ. मीन आपको दे रखा है 5 नंबर्स का, उसमें से 1 नंबर को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, तो जो बचे नंबर्स हैं उनका मीन भी आपको दे रखा है, दैट इज 28. यू हैव टू फाइंड द एक्सक्लूडेड नंबर. वो क्या होगा? यस.
Everyone, you have enough time for this, right? Everyone, all of you should vote for it correctly.
यस. मीन का फॉर्मूला सबको पता है ना? सम ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. बस उसको यूज करो जल्दी से. आपको नंबर्स नहीं पता तो टेक नंबर्स एज x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 और फिर आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो.
बच्चे बोले हमें तो आंसर याद आ गया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
76 स्टूडेंट्स ने सही आंसर दिया है. वेरी गुड. तो देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना था. मीन ऑफ 5 नंबर्स इज 30. So let me take the numbers like this: x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. How do we calculate mean? Sum of observations upon total number of observation. Total कितने हैं? 5 है. Total number of observation, this is my mean and mean का value is already given to me as 30. So that means the sum of these 5 numbers will be equal to what? Can you tell me? It will be equal to 5 into 30, that is 150. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है कि क्या लिखा है? अब let's read the next line. It is saying that if one number is excluded, now we are excluding one number. हम एक नंबर को exclude कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. That means now we are left with only 4 numbers. So let's say those 4 numbers are x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Let me assume that कि we are excluding this x5. ठीक है, तो मीन क्या आ जाएगा? इनका मीन निकालना है तो डिवाइड बाय 4 करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इस टाइम पे कितनी है? 4 है. तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू, इट इज गिवन एज 28. ठीक है, तो मुझे बताओ x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 प्लस x4 का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे? That will be equal to 28 into 4. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 32, 4 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 150. 1 second. 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. My bad. यहाँ पे वो eraser
इधर उसे कट करके लिख सकते हैं.
यहाँ पे eraser. हाँ, तो ये कितना बन जाएगा यहाँ पे हमारे पास? We will get yes 112. yes. ठीक है, तो 112 आ गया और ये 150 आ गया. दोनों में डिफरेंस कितना है? वो डिफरेंस क्या होगा? वो वही नंबर होगा ना. वो डिफरेंस क्या होगा बच्चा? वो वही नंबर होगा. तो इन दोनों का अगर आप डिफरेंस लोगे, दैट विल बी आवर आंसर. सो द राइट आंसर वाज 38. ओके, चलो, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अब बारी है आखिरी सवाल की.
इन्होंने पहले से विनर डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि सभी यही बोल रहे कि सभी लोग आंसर गलत करो ताकि मैथ्स जीत जाए.
चलो, let's see.
Okay everyone, all the best for the last question.
Yes.
You have our blessings. Question number 24 everyone. Here we go to the last question of our today's class. Husk of coconut is formed of, very easy question I would say, xylem, sclerenchyma fiber, collenchyma and trachea. So husk of a coconut is formed of what? Take your time everyone. Take your time and pick the correct answer. Is it made up of xylem? Is it made up of sclerenchyma fiber? Is it made up of collenchyma or it is made up of the trachea? Sorry. हाँ, trachea. Tracheates की जगह पे trachea we have. Excuse me. Very good everyone. I think time's up and 152 of you have voted for the correct answer and the correct answer is sclerenchyma fiber. So we know that the husk of a coconut, right? We know that it's in brown in color, it's dead actually, and it is made up of the sclerenchyma fiber. In sclerenchyma also we have studied that there are two types of sclerenchyma, right? We have sclerenchyma fiber, that of course we have in the husk of coconut, and then of course we have the sclerites that we have in the seeds that are present inside the fruit. So very well done everyone, and so we have this answer. 152 of you have voted for it. Congratulations to each one of you who got this question correct. Now I think ma'am it's time for the final leaderboard. Let's see कुछ ज़्यादा उथल-पुथल हुई है या फिर वही लोग हैं. ये न्यू एंट्री नहीं, ये जो पहले थे शायद से.
हाँ ये थे.
ये
रिंकू is new. Okay, so in the final question, Shivansh has given the fastest answer. Very good, and congratulations, Divan Singh. You have won the Menti quiz today. Well done, well done. Okay, and on third position we have Rishan, Himanshi,
Shrishti, I guess.
Srishti, Anshul, Rinku,
Jenil,
Abhigyan, and SRJ Maths.
Yes.
Okay, great everybody, very nice participation. बहुत मजा आया हमें क्विज कंडक्ट करके. आप लोगों के साथ बहुत ही मजा आया. अब पूरा हफ्ता बच्चा मेंटी वॉर्स चलने वाले हैं तो हम लीग्स रखे हुए हैं हर सब्जेक्ट की, हर 2 सब्जेक्ट्स की जो लीग्स होने वाली हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू अटेंड ऑल दो सेशन एंड डू नॉट forget to subscribe the channel, because if you won't subscribe तो आप मिस कर दोगे वो सारे सेशंस. और आपकी रिवीजन चल रही है तो आपको भी थोड़ा आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कितना हमें आता है, कितना हम रिकॉल कर पा रहे हैं कॉन्सेप्ट्स को, और कितना और आपको मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. तो यू विल get an idea. ठीक है? So do attend all the sessions. Okay?
With this everyone we will say bye bye. Thank you so much everyone. First of all, as ma'am mentioned, please make sure you attend all the classes that will be happening from tomorrow, right? So we have this amazing series that will be happening where we'll of course have the Menti Wars challenge. So it will be helping you to quickly revise all the subjects. Please make sure you join the session, and if you're new here, please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. पूरा चैनल पे जाओ, एक्सप्लोर करो वीडियोस. वी हैव क्रैश कोर्सेज फॉर यू. रिसेंटली क्रैश कोर्स की बहुत सारी वीडियोस गई हैं चैनल पे, जहाँ पे बहुत शॉर्ट में हमने पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज करा है. उसके अलावा वी हैव दी एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चंस एंड एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चंस, एंड मैम ने बहुत सारे प्रैक्टिस सेशंस किए हैं स्पेशली फोकसिंग ऑन द मैथ्स. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू वॉच ऑल ऑफ दोज वीडियोस बाय एक्सप्लोरिंग द चैनल.
एक बार खुद जाके देखो, यू विल फाइंड ऑल द यूजफुल वीडियोस फॉर यू. ठीक है?
चलो everyone, write in the comment section जोश कैसा है, जल्दी से बताओ.
How is the जोश? Did you enjoy today's class, everybody? मजा आया आज की क्लास में? Yes, और जल्दी से लाइक बटन भी हिट कर दो, और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम बहुत जल्दी मिलने वाले हैं.
Yes.
है ना? वेरी हाई, अमेजिंग. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए जोश. वेल डन. बहुत मजा आया, हम लोगों को भी बहुत मजा आया, एंड आई होप आप लोगों को भी बहुत मजा आया आज की क्विज में. यस, चलिए, सो सी यू टुमारो, सी यू वेरी सून इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक के लिए आई थिंक we'll say bye. So bye everybody.
Yes, and as always we say, please make sure that to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Do take care of yourself and keep on learning with BYJU'S. Bye bye.